Let it fall, let it fall. Glory rain from heaven's hall. Lord, I would with a heart wide open. Every breath is a word you've spoken. Sunlight on my skin, like grace on my soul. You make broken things feel whole. You are the calm in the chaos I face, the love in the places I try to escape. Even in silence I feel your flame. You whisper my name. Rain down, your mercy like rivers run wild. Fall down and lift up your wandering child. Let your beauty flood this ground. We are vessels pouring out. Rain down, let your glory rain down.
Jesus, you walked through the fire for me, took my shame